everybody out there? Coach Dan Long with Get Lean in 12. And today I have something awesome for you. I have some exercises that you can do right in your own home. All you need is a slippery surface. So it can be tile, it can be linoleum, anything that's nice and slippery. And then all you need is 2 socks. Do you have 2 socks? I know you do. Someone in that house has 2 socks. The movements that I'm gonna show you are specifically designed for people over the age of 40 years old that should be moving differently so that you can get the body that you desire. Now, I have this surface with me here today, and this is a nice slippery surface, but again, remember, all you need is tile or possibly just some linoleum, which most kitchens have this, so it shouldn't be a problem, and 2 socks. Now, you're gonna see a blue link up here. Don't click that just yet. You gotta see what I have for you today, because we're gonna work core and we're gonna work upper body, and you can do this in your own home. Very simple, very easy. And again, if you're in your 40s like me, I'm 44 years old. My wife also, she's over 40. We have 3 beautiful children, and we use these protocols to specifically get the body that we desire and blast belly fat. That's the key, right? Remember, the more muscles that you engage, which core and upper body is engaging hundreds of muscles all at one time, which maximizes fat loss. Okay, so listen, grab your socks. You're gonna put these on your hands. Believe it or not, you can use these on your hands just as much as you can use them on your feet. So you put these on your hands just like so, all right? And today, I'm gonna do some core exercises with you right now. So let's start with a side plank. So you're gonna go into a side plank position. One hand on the surface that's slippery and one hand that's off the surface that's slippery. Go into a plank position. Let me get up here just like this. Now remember, your body should be like a surfboard, nice and stiff, okay? Now, as you're in that plank position, you're gonna roll that arm out and bring it back. Again, roll it out and bring it back. Now, be careful on that shoulder, because on your shoulders, it's important to keep it from stretching too far, okay? Now, again, simple, out, and then back. Now, switch sides just like so. Plank position, body's in a surfboard position, roll it out, and roll it back. Roll it out, and roll it back, just like so. Okay, now let's do a front plank position, right? Both hands on your board, just like this. Front plank position, watch this, right? Put the hand right underneath the shoulder, and then left, out. Now, you see my feet back here? Together is hard. Intermediate is a little bit separated, all right? And easier is separate those feet nice and wide. Okay, then roll it out and roll it back. Roll it out, roll it back. Now, advance. Ooh, yeah. You can feel that in your shoulders, okay? Be very careful, especially if you've had any kind of rotator cuff surgeries. Modification would be simple. Just go into a plank position. That right there is a beginner, because it's not easy to do. But you can rotate, just like this. Stop, rotate. Just like this, right? Just like wax on, wax off back in the day from Karate Kid. It's that simple. You can take those movements and you can utilize those for maximum fat loss. Now, if you want to go back into a side plank position, just like so, right? How about you do this? Knee in, swipe up. Knee in, swipe up. Just like that. It's that simple to make it that much harder, that much faster. Again, let's do the other side. So up, right? Knee in, swipe right. Knee in, swipe right. That is how simple you can take movements and you can make them help you get the body that you desire and blast belly fat that much faster. Now listen, you need specific protocols and you need specific movements to be able to do exactly what I'm saying. And that's why I have for you right now, up at this link, all right? Do me a favor, before you click that link, down below in the comments, say hi, tell me who you are, where you're from. I love to meet everyone from all over the world. We have a huge following that's just gaining ground by the week, only because of people like you. And I want you to have the body that you desire. And the only way that that's gonna happen is you have to have specific protocols, and I just so happen to have one that only takes 12 minutes. If you have 12 minutes, you can get the body that you desire by clicking this link right above. It's gonna take you to a product called the Over 40 Abs Solution that has all these protocols, a lot more exercises in there like you see today, and a lot of great information that's gonna help you get the body that you desire. All right, go ahead and click this link up above. I'm Coach Dan with Get Long. I'm Coach Dan with Get Lean in 12, Dan Long, and I want you to have an amazing day.